In this video, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM's deep research feature to streamline your research process. To start, I'll head to the dashboard and click on Create New to open a fresh notebook. When the source window appears, I'll select the web option and type my topic into the search bar. I'm choosing deep research here to ensure I get a comprehensive analysis rather than just a quick summary. As the process runs, you can track the progress on the sidebar as it moves through planning, researching multiple websites, and analyzing the findings. This feature is incredibly powerful because it does the heavy lifting of scanning the web and organizing information for me. Once the research is finished, I'll click View to see the report and then hit Import to bring all 45 discovered sources directly into my notebook. Now, I can browse through the results in the sidebar and open the main report to review the details. To dive deeper, I'll use the chat on the right and select a suggested question to have the AI explain the research steps. I'll save this helpful response as a note so it stays in my project. Finally, I can explore the studio tools to generate summaries or convert my notes into new sources to keep my research organized and easy to navigate. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.